Hello all and welcome to another tutorial from Block Party, and today we are going to be talking about the premium newsfeed, and this is part of the Block Party premium subscription that is available to everybody. All you've got to do is head on over to the website and check this little signals option out, and it will give you an option of many different packages you can get from 1 month, 3 month, 12 month and also lifetime package. We accept fiat and also cryptocurrency payments. But first and foremost, please give us a like and subscribe as it helps grow the channel, and follow us on Twitter at CopyTrade. That's right, we put out some hidden little gems there as well, and a few little nuggets that you won't find on the Telegram channels. But most importantly, we are here to talk about the news. So let's check out the Telegram Premium Newsfeed channel and what it offers and why it is probably one of our most important tools in our war chest. The premium newsfeed is all about the crypto news, but it's not one of those crypto news channels which is just covering all the general macro headlines. You know, has Gary Gensler tripped over a curb this morning, or has Biden had 2 sugars in his coffee or 1 sugar, so that now means that the lunar eclipses are not aligning and Bitcoin's going to dump. None of that rubbish. This is only actionable market news. And yes, for all of your different kind of altcoins and cryptocurrencies that are often not covered in a lot of newsfeed channels. And the ones that they can be quite heavily delayed, because at the end of the day, it's all about getting there first. Let's have a look at some of the news that we do cover. Naturally, there's a lot of your more minor altcoin uses, so a lot of the big partnerships, along with the hard forks and your main nets. We've also got listings as well, which have a huge impact on coin price, and believe it or not necessarily always for the bullish. So let's have a little look through some of the styles of news feeds that you'll be expecting to receive. So we can see that there's a lot of screenshots of Twitter, because at the end of the day, Twitter is where it's all happening with crypto. That's where all of the companies release all of their information first. So unless you're truly on the inside and you've got that real inside leg on what's going on, and maybe a hard line to the developers, I don't know. But this is generally where you're going to be finding out a lot of the information. Here you can see we get instant notifications on when there are new listings on different exchanges. As I mentioned, this can have a serious impact on a lot of the coins. We have direct links and a nice filter with CoinMarketCalendar. If you're not part of it, I truly recommend following it. It's a fantastic website. However, it takes quite a lot of effort to sift through a lot of the coins that you're probably not that interested in. Certainly if you're only operating off one exchange like Binance or FTX or Coinbase, for instance. And as well, there's a lot of links, so it's always worthwhile clicking through on these links and reading a little bit more of the granular information. Because, for example, when we look at this article just here, talking about the hacker steals $320 million from Solana on the Ethereum bridge, it's worthwhile reading that, because they were in talks about getting the money back from the hackers. And so we've just seen, yes, Solana dumps 10-11% from this news, which, had you have seen this news article, you would have known that was coming and you could have shorted that really quite easily. But also right now, you'd know that you'll be waiting for the news to drop, as we have seen just down here. All funds have been restored and Wormhole is back up, which naturally means that there's going to be money probably piling back into Sol and Ethereum, so we might be seeing a bit of a pump there. So once you can start to dissect this news and just apply a tiny bit of logic, you can actually apply this to day-to-day trading scenarios. But we'll use one example, which is quite, well timed as it dropped today, about HBAR or Hedera partnering with a massive game developer. You may have heard of them, Ubisoft. And that is outlined in just this article here. We're not going to click through to it, but we are going to take note of when this was published, which was on the 3rd of February, and also the time that it was published at 12:22 just here. So let's just see what effect that had on the chart. And I've mapped it out nicely as to when the actual news article would have dropped. Right here on the 3rd of February at 12:22, just here, as you can see. And we see literally within 3 hours and 20 minutes of that, it has pumped up almost 12%. So it truly is as simple as that. Buy the rumor, sell the news. It's just so easy. And we have this being populated 24/7. So you never miss a beat. That's it. Join Block Party and we've got your back covered. So as I always say, guys, give us a like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. It helps massively. Follow us on Twitter as well to get some of those other little hidden nuggets that we like to put out there. And most importantly, good things come to those who wait, and great things come to those who hodl.